Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Oh man, probably the first 3 seconds you're already doing something. And I don't even know why you're here and sub to the channel. Or is it because of the light show? I think so. So here I am with the DJI Osmo HDR camera. How do you like your camera? Have you updated to their latest firmware, V01, 03, 0330? And are you enjoying it? Please tell me. I need to be told. I'm trying to figure out 3D-toy application, why I see pictures of a baby on the app, and yet I can get my own picture loaded up. I made some orders and I need to add a door. Not a big deal. Change out a battery, no biggie. And put a stick on, removable lens guards. Oh yeah. I was gonna get a mic. Try a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter. I don't have that cable around, but I got a dongle USB-C to a receiver. It didn't work. I said to myself, I got a pair of AirPods. They'll hook up. If I don't have the best sound in the world, not going to be a problem. At least it's on video. You get the idea. I never knew USPS works late at night to 10 p.m. They don't. They only do daytime deliveries for us. And yeah, my package will be here today rather than last night. No biggie. I got all the time in the world to figure it out how to get this back rack, this back rack luggage on. Yeah, it's called the bicycle luggage rack for the back. Man, I was supposed to start my video out a particular way. I just basically forgot and had the idea for the longest. It just takes time to set up. And eventually, I get it done the way I want. Just take a look around you. Put it on a fire thing. And yeah, just be hands-free. Takes time to put the cameras down, set things up, get the shots you want, and then you sit back at the editor and you just figure out, I gotta cut all these pieces out and do my editing. And that's the beauty about having a camera. Thinking of what you want to do and how you want to edit video. But for me to do this, somebody could come and run away with the camera. When on the bike, it's a lot harder to do, to put it down and do your scene shots. There's a lot you can do. There's plenty of things you can do. Look around, get an idea what you want to do. I want to put my camera all the way across the street and walk over here and do a talk. Nah, that's not going to happen. Especially with the DJI Osmo Action HDR. You just basically put it 6 feet away and it'll look like it's 30, 40 feet away from you already. Now I got a couple of things to do. I got a vlog to edit. I got this talk to edit. Yeah, edit. I gotta go watch a couple of videos. I'm not like I used to be with the GoPro Hero session or the GoPro Hero 5 session. And I gotta go figure out how to simply hit the record button, plug it to the machine, pull it off. I just want something simple. I like the action cameras because manual turn on, you get to see the controls and all. I no longer love just single button cameras anymore. But I'll take the time to figure it out. And the thing is, it's got a vibration and a light built in. And that's the Insta360 Go. Yeah, man. Put it on the RC car, what it's meant for. Stick it on there. Put it on your hat, just walk around. But when I do my vlogs, that's all you're gonna see me walking around a circle. I wonder if anybody tore it apart where the microphone is at, rewired their own 2.5 millimeter jack port and use their own wireless mic, or put a 3.5 in instead. Weather.
It's currently cloudy and 30 degrees.
Woo, yeah, man. It's like a heat wave. I overlapped. I gotta go back in. I'll finish up my talk. You know what I do? I put it on DJI mode. I gotta figure out the lanyard strap I got, the eye piece, the thickness, and find one that's a little longer so I can put it down here rather than being up here. Because when I talk, this 4-inch fist gives me -6 dB. I need to be a little lower, -12 dB. And no matter how much I adjust the camera and this, I think I'm on -7 dB. I may just lower it down to -8 dB. I'm gonna go look right now. I could do that while I'm recording, believe it or not. But then, you know, I'm not behind the camera. Ruin my shot. This is -9 dB. I can only go 3 more dB. See that? 3 more dB. DJI never listened to us. Why can't we get back -19 dB and +19 dB? It's all DJI, man. And yeah, and now when I go to my receiver end, it'd be just fine. But over here to the camera end, it's funky. Do the funky dance. Do the funky. You do the funky. Well, I wanted to say that when I did my scene shots, if it was daytime, I could put it on subject tracking, do my walking, and the camera would keep me centered and would follow me. But I already got my scene shots in. So let's get on out of here. Did my talk, did my share, did my fun, did my say, and let's get on going. They still haven't fixed that light. That light's just gonna come down one day. Well, you know, that's super night for you. It's just like, needs to be fixed. And they're not gonna fix it right away. Well, I guess I'm gonna go ask now, but what happened to the dB level? Why weren't we given? Us vloggers asked for it. What we got instead was a DJI Mic Mini. I didn't ask for a Mini. I asked for a little bit more gain control. Well, you know, when you go to your editor and you do things and you say, hey, put the video in -6 dB, it does things a little less with octave. And that's what the gain control is. It's octave control. So you have 6 and 12. Well, they gave us 3, 6, 9, and 12. They're not going to give us any higher, like -19 dB. And that's something that maybe you want. I'll just be like some. I'll whisper so you can hear all the background noise. That's how we're supposed to talk in public, that nobody hears us. How sweet is that? I see you. You're like deep purple and blue. Purple and blue. That's what the color looks like in the sky with some gray. It doesn't have white right now and blue. It does got blue because purple got blue. Well, like I said, I'm still hesitant on the loading firmware V01030330. I'm still on the older firmware V01.03.20.10. Does a mighty fine job, does a great job. I don't need any little color adjustment that we all can do in an editor. I don't even do RC709 or whatever you want to call that LUT. Why would I want to just put back the same color into the camera? The camera already got that LUT. I can't pick this blue car and just color it. I got to color the whole thing. It's going to color what they think the trees may be like, and it's going to change everything. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. And on that note, I got to go meet Joe again. Joe's a good fellow. Treats us just fine. Sometimes a little too much Joe really gets us going. And on that note, I'll see you later on another video. And I'll give a little chat a little talk. I'm gonna go now try to figure out, do a tutorial on 3D toy and 5D displayer and get that one up for you.